Hi, I'm Jeremiah Proffitt.
And I'm Chandra Proffitt.
And this here is Captain Rawhide Proffitt. Welcome to another episode of Proffitt's Resurrection Land Cruisers TV.
Today we're here at the Gunnison Car Show showcasing this 1988 FJ62 Resto-Mod.
Like Chandra said, we're going to feature this 1988 FJ62 Resto-Mod. It looks like a sleeper and it looks pretty stock until you get in deep, but it is actually one of our 60 series builds on an 80 series chassis. We'll wait to show you the chassis when we get it up on a rack later, but those are some of our most popular builds because they're so fun to drive. Combining the drivability of an 80 series Land Cruiser and the classic looks of a 60 series Land Cruiser might be my favorite Land Cruiser build ever. The on and off-road drivability plus just the stance of the thing is unbeatable. This FJ62 is a sleeper. That means it looks pretty stock on the outside, but under the hood it is all custom. We installed an LS3 6.2 liter E-rod and a 6L80E automatic transmission with tap shift. That combination sends its power through the factory FJ62 split transfer case. To stay consistent with that OEM sleeper look, we used a set of the new Nomad 504 Field 17-inch aluminum wheels with factory Land Cruiser looking hubcaps. It's funny when I come to these shows, like all I want to do is talk to everybody. Like I see, like I have questions right on people's faces and it kills me to not just talk to every person. It's one of my favorite things to do. So the interior of this FJ62 is a little bit more custom than we normally do. We've built this custom center console, which houses the shifter for the 6-speed and the tap shift, through some 80 series switches in there for the seat heaters because that's a really cool OEM look. And then of course these are 100 series front seats, so power heated, and they're leather and this really cool fabric inserts in them. And I love the inside of this Land Cruiser. Door panels, all ties together. A little different than normal, but sweet. I wanted to also tell you about the cargo panels in the back of this. They're designed to house our new PRLC upgraded 60 series audio components. So back there, and the CNC cargo panels are heavy duty, and they've got an amp and subwoofer and speakers all built in, and that lends to this actually really sweet stereo system that we have in this 62. Underneath this Land Cruiser, you see the FJ80 chassis, which we have shortened and built body mounts for to accommodate the 60 series body. The 80 series axles feature better brakes from the factory, but in this case, we've installed a massive set of power brake disc brakes up front, and I can tell you right now that this thing stops like a brand new Ferrari. When you put a 60 series body on an 80 series chassis, you get a kind of automatic 2 or so inch body lift. That's just because the shape of the body doesn't necessarily exactly match the shape of the chassis, and so you have to mount it a slightly higher. That means when you want to run 33-inch tires, there's no additional lift necessary. So this Land Cruiser is using the factory 80 series springs, but we upgraded the sway bars and added Dobinson shocks for a better ride. Another cool thing about using an 80 series chassis is that lets us use the ABS system from the 80 series, and that's what's mounted under this little custom sheet metal part right here behind the air cleaner. I talk about this all the time, but let me explain a little bit about how we like our engine compartments to look. This is a utilitarian looking engine compartment, done so intentionally. I want it to look OEM, or like this is the engine that Toyota put in here from the factory. And even though it's not, I think that kind of pulled that off. No hidden wires or hoses here, just nice clean fabrication and mounting of the components so it looks OEM. Believe it or not, I think this is the first car that we ever painted when we opened up for business like 22 or 23 years ago. Yeah, this is it. This car belongs to a guy that managed the fish hatchery near the shop, and he asked Bob and I to paint this thing like right when we were getting started. Believe it or not, I hand masked off all of these flames, and I remember doing it. And 22 years later, dude, it's pretty much held up nice. Good job, Bob. I actually remember this being really hard to do. So if you've got an old Chevy coupe like this that you want us to paint, don't bother calling. We're not doing it. So some of you guys know we're on Instagram as Pro Cruiser. So I did this reel and we're just joking around. So what do you guys think about these new LED headlights that we got from Amazon? I don't know where the light comes out. Jordy, where's the light come out of it? And do they stick out too far? Do you guys think they stick out too far?
They're just right.
Okay, well we're gonna run with them. When a reel goes viral, what it does is it gets out there to the dumb people. And so if you go through the comments on these, like there's a lot of people who think that those are actually headlights and that we installed them backwards. And then there are people who are mad that we didn't turn them on for the video so you could see how bright they are. And there are people who are saying that we shouldn't put the headlights that are that bright on the car because they blind other drivers. And it just blows my mind how dumb some people can be. Stop it.
Thanks again for watching Proffitt's Resurrection Land Cruisers TV. We're trying to grow this channel, so every like and comment helps.
That's right. And if you aren't on YouTube a lot and you want to see us in some other places, on Instagram we are Pro Cruiser, Proffitt's Resurrection Land Cruisers on Facebook, and then of course resurrectionlandcruisers.com on the World Wide Web. Thanks for watching.
Oh, can be. Yeah, stereo. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry, what?
We have a lollipop.
I don't have any lollipops. I don't know where they are. Todd, do you have any lollipops?
Nope.
Give the kid a lollipop, Todd.
I don't have any lollipops.
Todd,
It wasn't my job. That wasn't my thing. Nobody told me I had to have
tell
lollipops.
somebody they need to bring a lollipop.
You told me to show up with the camera.
Pretty random, actually. You
Yeah.
have a lollipop? Why, yes, I do, kid. And aren't you not supposed to take candy from strangers? Here. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ready?
This is probably audio only.
We're on our way to Gunnison to buy a Land Cruiser, or actually I've already committed to buy it, but to pick up a Land Cruiser that somebody told us about at the Gunnison car show that supposedly only has 22,000 original miles. It's been sitting for 30 or more years under a tarp on a ranch out in the sticks. And this guy came and found us and said, hey, I've got this old Land Cruiser if you want to buy it. So it only has 22,000 miles. So I said, you betcha. So we're on our way to get it and we don't even know what it is.